Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Bitcoin Brandon from Los Angeles, California, the founder and CEO of Ivy League Crypto Academy. And it is that time for our Monday update with the CEO call. We've got a lot happening this week. This past weekend, we had an interview with the team behind Get Fit Mining. We unveiled it to the world and the community. And guess what happened? Over the last 24 to 48 hours, the token behind this project has risen by 120%. Our community is all about putting people in a position to win from the gate and then learn how to scale up from there. Last night, we had our ILCA Elite group call, which was a great call showing the opportunities that we are presenting. But this week now begins the next 5-day challenge that we do once a month. And this month is going to be special. And the reason why is because we are having a specific topic every single night this week, all about the half day, the Bitcoin halving event that happens once every 4 years. We are less than 30 days away from the next Bitcoin halving event, but you've got to know what it is, why it happens, what is the benefit for you? How can you be positioned to take advantage of this? But you can't if you don't even know what it is. So tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific, there's no cost to the community. If you want to be able to view, go to ilcachallenge.com. If you want to be a VIP member, where you can ask questions at the end to myself and our panelists, then that's a one-time cost of $97, and you get VIP access for the rest of the year. Again, ILCA wants to educate you and put you in a position to win and make passive income at the same time in a safe and compliant environment. See you guys tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific, ilcachallenge.com. Brandon Ivey out. Bye-bye.